Masandawana for the support. See you at the next game. Vamos Masandawana.
Hij Cisco Jay.
That's the Cisco.
Boiled egg, boss. Yeah. That's all it is.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And case you got.
Ish. How many is that? Oh, two of them.
The South African football community has been left in shock following the tragic passing of Bafana Bafana and Mamelodi Sundowns midfielder Jayden Adams. He was just 25 years old. Jayden Adams had become one of South Africa's brightest football stars. From his impressive performances in the PSL to proudly representing Bafana Bafana on the international stage, he inspired countless young footballers with his talent, hard work, and determination. His passing comes just weeks after representing South Africa at the 2026 FIFA World Cup, making the news even more heartbreaking for fans who had recently watched him compete on the football's biggest stage. At this stage, authorities have confirmed that an investigation into the circumstances surrounding his death is underway. No official cause of death has been released, and it is important to avoid speculation while everyone waits for verified information. Following the announcement, tributes began pouring in from across the football world. Teammates, clubs, football officials, and supporters have all shared heartfelt messages, remembering Jayden not only as an exceptional footballer, but also as a humble and respected person off the pitch. His journey was one of dedication and perseverance. Through years of hard work, he earned his place among South Africa's top players and became a key figure for both club and country. Many believed his best years were still ahead of him. For Mamelodi Sundowns, Bafana Bafana, and South African football as a whole, this is an immeasurable loss. His influence on the game and the memories he created for supporters will not be forgotten. During this difficult time, our thoughts and deepest condolences are with Jayden Adams' family, friends, teammates, coaches, and everyone affected by this tragic loss. May his soul rest in peace. If you'd like to pay your respects, feel free to leave a message of condolence in the comments below.
Guys, ngeke. Mina ngiyathanda ukudlala ngeke. Cha bafisa ngeke, kwenzeki. Ubani? Thina Adams ushonile. Like gone. Cha ngiyadlala mani kancane. Yakwenzeke njani kuphi nini? There is no way, guys. There is no way. Guys, Adam qed wina manje Champions League ne. Ubuya ku World Cup, the biggest tournament in the world. Manje, it's not even been a month. Mithi Adam ushonile. Cha guys, no, kwenzeki.